Good morning, children. It's time for your EVS class. Children, today we are going to continue with lesson 4 types of houses. And children, today we will learn the types of houses on the basis of climate of a place. Children, can you guess this house? Yes, this is an igloo. Children, these houses are made of snow. What are they made up of? Snow. And igloos are found in very cold places. Clear, children? So, where are igloos found? They are found in very cold places and they are made up of snow. Children, can you see this picture? The shape of an igloo? Igloo has a dome shape. Which shape they have? Dome shape. And children, igloo has only one opening to go inside and to come out. And children, who live in igloos? Eskimos. Who live in igloos? Eskimos. So children, understood? Igloos are found in very cold places. They are made up of snow. It has dome shape. And who live in igloos? Eskimos. Children, now we are going to study the next type of house. Can you look at the picture, children? This house is built on sticks. Yes, you can see so many sticks. And the house over it, the house is made over it. So children, these type of houses are called as stilt houses. What are they called as? Stilt houses. So let's learn more about them. Children, stilt houses are houses that are made up of wood or bamboo. Children, these houses are made up of wood or bamboo, and these houses are found in places where there is lot of rainfall or where there is heavy rainfall. Clear, children? So stilt houses are made up of wood or bamboo and they are found in places with heavy rainfall. And children, do you know why these houses are built on sticks? So that if it rains, the water will not go inside the house and the people inside the house will remain safe and dry. So that's why these type of houses are made on sticks. Children, stilt houses, they are mostly where they are found where there is heavy rainfall. And if there is lot of rain or there is heavy rainfall, what will happen? The water can go inside the house. So to save the people, what do? They build the houses on the sticks. Yes, children? So now what will happen if the house is made on sticks? Can the water go inside the house? No. And the people will remain dry and safe. So children, which is the house that is made on sticks? Yes, they are stilt houses. They are stilt houses. Now children, this is the next type of house. Which house is this? This is houseboat. Children, in some places people live in houses floating on lakes and rivers. Yes, so this type of house is called as houseboat. Houseboat is nothing but a house built on boat. Clear, children? And children, houseboat can move from one place to another. Yes, because it is made on boat and boat can move from one place to another. So houseboat can also move from one place to another. And children, houseboats, where are they found? They are found in Kashmir and Kerala. So where are these type of houses found? They are found in Kashmir and Kerala. And they are made up of wood. What are they made up of? Wood. Clear, children? So house that floats on water. Floats means to move on water. Yes, house that floats on water. Which is that house called? Houseboat. And where are houseboats found? They are found in Kashmir and Kerala, and they are made of wood. Children, the next type of house is tree house. Which is this house called? Tree house. Children, tree houses are found in forest. Can you see tree houses in Faridabad? No. Tree houses are not found in Faridabad. They are found in forest. And children, they are built on trees. Where are they built on? Trees. Children, the next type of house is, can you guess this? Yes, this is a tent. What is this called as? Tent. Children, tents are used during adventure camps. When people go for adventure camps in forest or on trekking, what they use? They use tents. And children, tents are made up of a cloth called canvas cloth. So what are tents are made up of? They are made up of canvas cloth. What are they made up of? Canvas cloth. Children, do you know that tents can be folded and carried from one place to another? So children, tents also can move from one place to another. So they are those houses that can move from one place to another. How? Because the tents, they can be folded and carried from one place to another. Children, the next type of house is caravans. What are they called as? Caravans. Children, can you see the picture? It is having a shape of a bus or a mini truck. Yes, children, and it has wheels. Children, caravans are also called as house on wheels, and they can move from one place to another because they have wheels. And children, caravans are just like houses from inside. In that people can cook, they can eat, they can sleep, read, study, watch, do whatever they want to do. Everything can be done what we do in a house, like washing utensils, having bath, watch television. Everything can be done inside a caravan, because from inside a caravan is just like a house. So clear, children? So which are the houses that can move from one place to another? Caravans, tents and houseboat. Children, I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and you are also going to read the lesson till where we have done today. Clear, children? So take care and bye bye.